Hi everyone, and welcome to Collect Together for our second Play-Doh creation. We haven't done many of these. You can probably see why. Doesn't quite have that cuteness that Frosty Fridge from Homewares category actually has, but I think it was just fun to do. We thought, why not give it a go? And we have some surprises inside
Frosty Fridge.
But yes, it's nowhere near the standard that I think the awesome channels like Open More Toys and especially SCTC Surprise Egg and Toy Collector have set, and Elsa's Surprise Eggs. And we also have a 5-pack of Season 3 Shopkins waiting behind there. But anyway, let's get into Frosty Fridge and see what she has inside.
Oh, bye Frosty Fridge.
Don't you reckon they look like sheep from a distance, her eyes, just the way I did it?
Never mind, Frosty Fridge. What's inside? Can we open you up? Open the door.
Whoa, what do we got? Now we've got a smorgasbord inside this fridge. We have Strange Hill High Gooey figures, and I see a Season 3 blind basket. Well, let's get into this one first. And look at that, I love the little case this comes in. It's a Strange Hill High locker. So the right side to open it up. Whoa! Jumped right out at me. I think, from my memory, I believe it's Betty Botter, and I think this is the glow in the dark figure. We've gotten her before. Comes with like the standard colouring and this glow in the dark one, which is cool. Okay, Betty, why don't you hang up there next to Frosty Fridge. But the fun part is this U inside, which I will save for Blake. I know he'll have a lot of fun with that. Look at that green. I love next. Cool. We have from Character Building micro figures. These are cool. There's 12 to collect. And they're really cool. We really want the zombie one. We got the night one the last time. But let's see what we've got. Whoa, whoa, character down. I think I know what one this is. Let's have a look. Put that to the side. I think this is the astronaut. Awesome. And green is common, so it's a common figure. But there's a bunch of really cool ones. Okay, let's get this guy together. This should be fairly simple. There he is already for his space adventure. Put your visor down. There we go. I like the facial expression on him as well. Now, what do we have next? Let's go for the Shopkins. I'm going to have some Shopkins. So we have the Shopkins Season 3 blind basket. Okay, let's just attack it. Quick, get in there. We do love these new baskets. They have a quick look. How cute. I'll need the list actually. That's a good idea. I'll need that list. Pop it down like that. So I can display the Shopkins. Okay. Ooh, who do we have? We don't have many yet. We've only just started collecting. Oh! We've got this one, I believe. This is Jennifer Rain. Really cute looking gumboot. And she is a rare from Shoes. Oh, get over there. And we have, this feels like a hat, I think. Oh, we do. We have a hat. Really cool new category. We have Hattie Hat, a common. Oh, how cool is that with that little green bow? Hattie Hat. Okay, we have one of the Marvel Avengers dog tags. So we were so pleased to finally find some dogs tags in Australia. So 48 to collect. Try not to rip I think I did again. I ripped the list. Oh cool, we have the whole team. Okay, it's a different one. I think we've gotten that one. We had I always rip it. But yeah, some really awesome ones. We really do want all the Iron Man ones because that's Blake's favourite character. But we have 26 of 48. Okay, so we have
Avengers team. We have Captain America, Thor, Hawkeye, Hulk, Iron Man, we got Nick Fury and Black Widow.
cool one. Oh, it's a really cool one actually. Avengers. Like, we'll be pleased. You can add this to his dog tag collection. And we have some Squinkies. Can't get enough of Squinkies. So every time we find some, we pick them up. So this is the Squink, and this is a new one. It's a 3-pack, and you get this cool little thing. You can hang them off and put them on your backpack or wherever. I think Blake's going to put this on his pinboard next to his dog tag. So how cool! I think that is everything. Shopkins. So let's get into this. I can figure out how to. I need some scissors. Okay, first let's look what we have. We've got a bunch of stickers, which is actually a really cool addition. So a lot of cool Squinky characters. So you get 2 little lots of that. This is a little tag, so we put them on a little chain. Let's get this set up. So there you go. And I love the colour scheme. Blue, green and red. I really like that. But the Squinky, so they actually come in these little containers, which is great because we have the Squinky Skull Cavern and the Squinky Gumball machine, which we'll link down below. Please check those videos out if you haven't already. So we can put them in there, in the containers, or hang them on that. How cool is that? Is that a gun set? It makes me think of Rambo. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Could be wrong. Gun turret, I don't know. That one. Next container we have, some commando looking dude. Look at that. Rawr. I think they have numbers rather than names. There is a list we have somewhere. I'll have to pull that out. Last but not least, I think that's like is that a sniper? He's hiding out. He's got his little camouflage on. And they're kind of squishy, a little like rubbery. Oh dear. Plop. Okay, so that is our surprises from Frosty Fridge. Now let's quickly get into the 5-pack there, so we can get into our 5-pack. So there we go. We've finally got a bunch of 12 and 5-pack in the Shopkins now that they're in stores in Australia. So cool. And look, the choc frosted Shopkins. Oh, so cute. Okay, without further ado, let's get in. Can we find a limited edition? Okay, so we have a blind bag, shopping list. You get 5 shopping baskets, and we love that new design and colour. But let's have a look at our visible Shopkins. So we have the really cute Beverly Hills from the shoe category. And she is a common. And I think we have this one. Yellow one. Okay, next up, which I don't think we have. This is Susie Sunday in white. Really cute and yummy looking. She is from Sweet Treats and she is a rare. Yum.
Strawberry ice cream, whipped cream, caramel and a wafer.
Then we have Toasty Bread, which is so cute with that little butter running down there. So Toasty Bread is a common from bakery. That was one deliciously thick slice of yum. And we have, this is new for us, Sweet Pea. How cute is that, from Fruit and Veg?
Which is one category that has carried over to each season. I think is it Sweet Treats and Fruit and Veg at the and bakery, of course, bakery, yes.
And Sweet Pea is a common. Look at them, they're so cute. 3 peas in a pod. Okay, and our blind bag. No idea who that one is. Oh yes, Netty Spaghetti. Yum yum. From International Food, which is a new category, which is a really cool category, I must admit. So where is my list? I'm not sure what. Netty Spaghetti is a rare. Oh, yum. I love that little metallic sheen. Yum, yum, making me hungry. So there are our 5, season 3 Shopkins. And all of our other surprises. So let us know today, what was your favourite from the surprises we opened today. We've got Squinkies, character building, Strange Hall High, obviously other Shopkins and Avengers dog tag. And please let us know down below, do you want to see some more Play-Doh creations on here? I know they're not the best, but you know, we can keep practicing and just have some fun. But we want to do maybe for our 3rd Play-Doh creation, maybe another. It doesn't have to be Shopkins, it can be anything. Adventure Time, yeah, My Little Pony, Squinkies, I'm not sure. Let us know down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with our next video. Take care.